Tell me. Caption this. Watch this big dirty thinking man. Have him woman that the sun has changed the tire while him stand up over and look. I tell you this man can't change. You see where the world are going to? You see what the world is going to? You see why enough of that woman left them? Watch him gone on that cool shade. Him gone on that cool shade. Watch her back, watch her up here. Watch she. She has scratch, she can't buy her back clothes. She pay a fear today. I watch him. Now this is what I call a blood clot movie. A movie that is worth paid to watch. Blood clot, this is where the world I got to. Why this man is a real dirty blood clot man. You see him black? You see him? Watch him. Watch it, yeah, watch him. Watch you know what that cloth is. Beaver somebody, she hot. She wipe the sweat, she hot. She hot. Watch him. Blood clot, that man is ugly door. You see if you turn off the light on the man you can't find him. If night come in one dark blood clot alley and stand up in there you can't find him. The only way you see him on him skin him teeth, that's if it clean. Dirty man. Dirty Salamite man. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Why the man wants to smile on man, lick him them dirty blood clot. You see him like a gorilla? All him do, I push it somewhere underneath the tire, sorry underneath the car, wind it up and wind it down back and she screw them off and put them back the tire. Why? I them man the woman them want, I them sleep with. I them sleep with. And I them call man. Dirty blood clot man. Watch him. See that the Rasta pick up the rake. You have to look back twice and I wonder how I go on. Gorilla man. Lad. Dirty man.